here we go. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. I'm Haru.
Man, the programming world is buzzing again today.
Buzzing? What happened now?
Happened? Ain't more than that. AI agents are just dominating the headlines right now.
Yeah, there's been updates like every single day recently.
Right? We're barely 2 weeks into 2026, and it feels like the whole industry map is being redrawn.
Keeping up is hard. Actually, I'm not even keeping up anymore.
Hey, that's exactly why we're here to sort through it all for you.
Oh right, that's our whole thing, isn't it?
So, first up on the news front.
Yeah, huh?
Anthropic just announced a new feature called Claude Cowork.
Cowork. Like a co-working space.
Exactly that kind of co-work. Working together.
Huh? How does that relate to AI?
This is the cool part. You can now use AI agents without any programming knowledge.
Wait, so someone like me could actually use it?
Exactly. That's the whole point.
But I don't know anything about programming.
That's precisely why this matters.
What do you mean?
So, there was Claude Code before, which was a tool for engineers.
Uh-huh.
But Claude Cowork is positioned as Claude Code for the rest of work.
The rest of work? What's that?
Basically, everything that's not coding.
Oh, I get it now.
And how it works is, it's built into the Claude Desktop app. You can show Claude specific folders of your choice.
Show folders?
Yeah, like your downloads folder or documents folder.
So you're giving it access to your files.
Right, and not just read access. You can give it permission to modify files too.
Wait, modify too? Isn't that kind of scary?
Well, yeah, we'll get to that later. But here's what it can actually do.
I wanna hear this.
For example, it can organize your messy downloads folder and rename each file properly.
Oh man, that's actually super useful.
Right? I know. My downloads folder is total chaos too.
I know, all those screenshots with auto-generated names like screenshot at 2 p.m. or whatever.
Exactly, and it can rename all of those to something meaningful.
That's awesome.
Or it can take a collection of receipt screenshots and build an expense spreadsheet for you.
That's the kind of thing that would make accountants cry tears of joy.
Yeah, tax season could get a lot easier.
Wait, hold on though.
What?
This basically means showing all your computer files to an AI, right?
Well, just the folders you specify.
Still, doesn't that feel like a privacy issue?
I get that. I thought the same thing at first. But Anthropic actually warns about this explicitly.
Warns how?
They explicitly say not to give access to folders containing sensitive information.
Well, yeah, that makes sense.
And get this, if instructed, it may perform potentially destructive actions like deleting local file.
Wait, it can delete file.
If you tell it to, yeah.
That's definitely scary.
So you gotta be careful how you use it.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
But here's a fun fact. Guess how the Cowork application itself was built?
How? Oh, engineers built it normally, right?
They did, but a team of just 4 people built it in about 12 days using Claude Code itself.
What? 12 days?
Yep, 12 days.
4 people in 12 days? That's incredibly fast.
Right? Well, that's the power of AI agent.
It's starting to feel like AI building AI, isn't it?
In a way, yeah.
Getting some singularity vibes here.
Now, about pricing.
How much?
Initially, it was only available on Claude Max, which is $100 to $200 a month.
That's expensive.
But as of January 16th, it's now available on the $20 per month Claude Pro plan.
$20 is way more reasonable. At least worth trying.
Yeah, the barrier to entry got way lower. Next up, we've got news from OpenAI.
Oh, the competition enters the ring.
They just released GPT 5.2 Codex.
Another new model? I seriously can't keep up anymore.
This one's actually really impressive.
You keep saying everything's impressive.
Because, yeah, they're calling it the most advanced agentic coding model for complex real-world software engineering.
That's a mouthful. Say it simpler.
Basically, it's a serious enterprise-grade coding AI.
Oh, like for companies using it for real work.
Exactly. And technical features include context compression technology that improves long-run tasks.
Context compression?
It means when handling long conversations or massive codebases, it keeps the memory intact.
Oh yeah, the old ones would forget stuff midway.
Right, like remember what I said earlier? Sorry, I don't know.
Classy.
Plus, better performance on refactoring and migrations. Large-scale code changes.
What's refactoring?
It's reorganizing code structure without changing what it does.
Oh, like rearranging furniture in a room?
Pretty much. Same function, but better organized.
Got it.
But the wildest part is its cybersecurity capability.
Security?
Yeah, it has stronger cybersecurity capabilities than any model OpenAI has released before.
Is that good or bad?
Both, actually.
Ah,
For defense, it's the ultimate shield. For attack, it's the ultimate spear.
oh, dual-use technology.
Right? Right guys, being cautious about rollout. They're providing invite-only access to vetted experts and organizations focused on defensive cybersecurity work.
Sounds like a movie plot. Only the chosen ones can use it, eh?
And there's a surprising use case.
What? What?
A team used this model through a dev tool called Cursor to build a web browser from scratch.
A web browser? Like Chrome or Safari?
Exactly.
But that's a massive project.
And get this, the model ran uninterrupted for a week.
A whole week.
And ultimately generated over 3 million lines of code across thousands of files.
3 million lines?
3 million lines.
At this point, who needs humans?
Well, you still need humans to check the work.
Check 3 million lines.
Just have AI check it too.
AI checking, here we go again with that.
But the CEO of Cursor reported this, so it's credible.
Fair enough.
For pricing, it's available through API. Supported by major dev tools like Cursor, Windsurf, Factory, and GitHub.
Pretty wide support.
Yeah, so engineers can try it right away. Next up, there's a major Claude Code update.
Oh, separate from Cowork?
Right, this is about the engineer-focused Claude Code.
I see.
Version 2.10 was released. Bundling 1996 commits.
1996? What's that even mean?
Commits are like change records. So 1996 separate fixes and feature additions all at once.
That's a ton, isn't it?
It is, which is why they say it evolved from a capable coding assistant to something that acts like production infrastructure.
Production infrastructure sounds pretty cool.
Right? So, major new feature. There's a skills system.
Skills system? Like a video game.
Kind of. It lets you give the AI specific capability.
Huh? Ah,
And now these activate instantly without session restarts.
did it need restarts before?
Yeah, so developers are saying full cycle went from 2 minutes to 5 seconds.
2 minutes to 5 seconds. That's 24 times faster.
Right, 24 iteration speed improvement.
That's huge.
Also, there's a cool session teleportation feature.
Teleportation? Like warping?
Yeah, with teleport and remote embed command. You can seamlessly move work between your local terminal and web interface.
Oh, so like working on your computer, then suddenly needing to go out but continuing on your phone.
Exactly that vibe.
That's convenient.
Plus Japanese language support was added.
Wait, it didn't have Japanese before?
It did, but now there's official language setting.
Got it.
Now, about market share. According to data from Vibe Canvas, Claude Code holds about 70% share in the agent coding tools market.
70%. That's dominant.
Though it's down from 83% back in September 25.
Well, competition's fierce.
Right, with OpenAI and others entering the space.
But 70% is still pretty commanding.
Yeah, still overwhelmingly dominant. Now let's hit some trending topics from X, formerly Twitter.
Oh, social media voices.
So, an engineer shared their January 26 vibe coding stack of
Vibe coding stack?
basically which tools they're combining and using.
Oh, I see.
This person uses Cursor, Claude Code, and Conductor, multiple tools for different purposes.
Not just one?
Right, and for code review they simultaneously run 4 different ones. BugBot, Augment Code, Codex, and Macroscope.
4. Ebidel. Isn't that a hustle?
Actually mixing them by use case is apparently more efficient. Like, Claude Code has unmatched value as a true agentic AI.
Unmatched. That's high praise.
They're paying $100 to $200 a month for the Max 5X plan.
That's a serious investment.
But if it boosts productivity, it probably pays for itself. And another trending story. Find is shutting down.
Fiend? Never heard of it.
It was one of the first tools to combine AI chat with web search effectively.
Oh, a pioneer.
Yeah, announced shutdown on January 16th.
Pretty sudden.
Early adopters are expressing gratitude and farewell.
That's kind of bittersweet.
I know, the pace is so fast that survival is tough.
Even pioneers aren't safe.
Right? Being first doesn't guarantee anything. You can get overtaken.
All things must pass, huh?
Getting philosophical all of a sudden.
Just feeling reflective.
Also, interesting discussion happening about a technique called the Ralph Wiggum loop.
Ralph Wiggum? From The Simpsons?
Exactly. That slightly clueless character.
How does that relate to programming?
It demonstrates the lesson that sometimes naive persistence beats sophisticated complexity.
Oh, like being stubbornly simple actually work.
Right, you don't need complexity. Simple persistence can get result.
That's basically my life?
You're admitting your life is Ralph Wiggum?
In a positive way.
Whatever you say. Alright, let's take a break with some music.
Oh, nice.
Today's track is Behind the Scenes Struggle.
That title's got some meaning.
Right, feels like it captures the effort behind the scenes, the invisible hard work.
Playing this after all that AI talk is kind of ironic.
Oh yeah, like behind only AI working hard, there are engineers struggling.
Right, people working hard where we can't see them.
Nice interpretation.
Gonna listen with a bit of emotion.
Here it is, Behind the Scenes Struggle.
"資料わかりやすいですね」その言葉が今日の酸素ここにまとめときましたって軽く言ったその手の裏には400行 くとが隠れてた列のずれ桁の誤差回帰をバグコントロール以外の人物な表に出ないからでもそれがなかったら誰も会議で話せなかった背景グレーにしたのにも理由がある読みやすさのために命削ってるそれでも気づかれないハロシまだですかって言われた時の返事より先に心が折れた毎週押収される地獄の複製それでも今日も整えてる関数が消えたレイアウト
Alright, thanks for listening.
That hit differently.
Good track, really. Now let's hit the second half.
Ready?
Next up, what's trending on Reddit?
Reddit, that huge overseas forum, right?
Yeah, where you hear developers' real voices. So the most active discussion has shifted from which tool is smartest to which tool doesn't burn through credits.
Burn credits?
Money, cost.
Oh, so people care more about price than performance.
Right, everyone knows they're smart, but the bills are scary.
I get that. Subscriptions just keep piling up.
Right. Just AI coding tools alone can hit hundreds a month easily.
No wonder cost awareness is rising.
Interestingly, many users recommend not relying on a single tool, but mixing 2-3 AIs by purpose.
Same as the Vibe coding stack earlier.
Exactly, like Cursor for professional development, Replit for quick prototype, Codium for hobby projects, and it's free supporting over 70 languages.
Free, with 70 languages. That's a deal.
Right? Smart tool mixing.
It's like cooking tools.
Cooking. Mwah.
With knives, sometimes using multiple specialized ones is better than one all-purpose, like sashimi knife, butcher knife, vegetable knife.
A nice analogy.
Right, aye.
Now there's a more serious topic. On the programming subreddit, experienced developers are expressing concern.
What concerns?
If we stop writing code, will we lose the ability to deeply understand it?
Oh, I can relate to that fear.
Now AI generates 42% of code.
42%? That's almost half.
Yeah? Developers' roles are changing?
Maybe it's like driving cars. Went from manual to automatic, now moving towards self-drive. But if you don't understand the fundamentals, you can't respond when things go wrong.
That's actually a good point.
If you rely totally on AI, you won't catch when it makes mistakes.
Deep stuff.
Though I'm talking big when I don't even code.
Would've been cooler if you stayed quiet there. Also, popular on Reddit, there's Roo Code, formerly Roo Klein.
Roo? Like Roo Oshiba.
No, probably like Kangaroo Roo.
Oh, Australian vibes.
And it's getting praised by software developers.
What's good about it?
Natural language communication, reads and writes code, executes command. Functions as a software architect within your dev environment.
Architect, like a designer.
Right, not just writing code, but thinking about overall design.
That's reliable.
Also Google anti-gravity is trending.
Anti-gravity? Like anti-gravity?
Right, cool name.
Sounds like it floats.
Launched in November 2025. Achieved 76.2% on Sweetbench verified and 94% refactoring accuracy.
The numbers seem impressive, but I don't really get what's impressive.
Basically, tests measuring how accurately it handles real programming tasks. High school? Plus, it's available as a free public preview.
Free? From Google?
Yeah, that's why Reddit's talking about it.
Google's getting serious in this space too.
Right? Feels like a three-way battle between Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google.
Like Three Kingdoms.
Well, the Battle of Red Cliffs might still be ahead. Let's wrap up with overall industry trend.
Please do.
First, AI adoption by developers. 82% of developers now use AI-powered tools to write code.
82%. That's almost everyone.
Right, not using it is now the minority.
Times have changed.
And AI generates 41% of all code in active dev environment.
Combined with the earlier 42%, it's about half AI writ.
Plus, 72% of developers use AI tools daily.
Daily? It's like a partner now.
Exactly. Collaboration with AI is becoming normal.
I want an AI partner too.
Just use Claude Cowork.
Alright, you don't need to code for that app.
Now for pricing comparison of major tools.
Money talk. Important.
GitHub Copilot Pro Plus at $39 a month. Multi-model access with best balance.
$39.
Cursor at $20 a month. Deepest versus code integration and fastest iteration.
$20. Cheapest option.
Claude Code with Opus 4.5 at $100, $200 a month. Highest accuracy at 80.9% on Sweetbench O.
Expensive but most accurate.
Right, trade-off between money and accuracy.
Tough choice.
Now, Gartner's prediction.
Gartner's the research firm, right?
Yeah, they predict by end of 2026, 40% of enterprise apps will have task-specific AI agents.
40%. What was it last year?
Less than 5% in 2025.
5% to 40% in 1 year? That's huge.
It's a prediction, but shows how rapidly it's spreading.
Exponential growth.
However, fully autonomous coding workflows where agents code and submit without human intervention remains under 8% adoption.
Surprisingly low.
Human oversight is still needed.
Connects to that earlier concern about losing deep understanding.
Right, AI is a tool, but the human using it matters. Last item, Andrew News.
Who's that?
AI legend, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera.
Oh, major figure.
He partnered with Replit to announce a new short course Vibe Coding 101.
A course teaching vibe coding?
Right, learning how to build and host apps using AI agents.
Wow. Education assumes AI agents from the start now.
Yeah, people learning to code now will learn alongside AI.
Remember when our generation got told not to use calculators?
Oh yeah, do the math in your head.
But now calculators are standard, and AI just gives you the answer.
Times really changed?
All of that effort training my mental math for nothing.
But having that foundation lets you catch when the calculator's wrong, right?
Maybe. Thinking positively, I guess.
The ability to notice when AI output is wrong still requires that foundation.
You're saying good stuff today.
I try to say good stuff every day. Alright, we're about out of time.
Already?
Today we covered the latest in AI coding.
Claude Cowork, GPT 5.2 Codex, Claude Code 2.1. Packed show.
Yeah, this industry moves so fast.
Bet something new drops next week.
No doubt about it.
But ultimately, what matters is the human using the tool.
Oh, nice wrap up.
Occasionally, I deliver.
No matter how smart AI gets, it's humans who make it work.
Right, like the Ralph Wiggum loop. Naive persistence wins in the end.
You're still on that.
It resonated with me.
Whatever anyway, folks. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.